Alright, how's it going, everybody? It's your boy Wicked Nature. We're back with another video. Today we're taking a look at our 1996 Sea-Doo GTX. We haven't really got a chance to go over this ski. Really nice though. I mean, compared to most, this is pretty clean. Now it does have some obvious damage here in the front. You can see where it took some, I don't even know what happened there. Maybe it got hit by something. And we have some obvious road rash around here in the bottom. And I'm talking about, we ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even tripping. Main thing we got going on though, so far, is we finally got power to it. Charged up a battery, got it hooked up. Typically when you buy these skis like this, you don't really know what happened. People don't remember what happened. They just know it broke and it ain't gonna fix it. And that's where I come in, because that's when I pick them up. So, this does have the 787 engine, and it looks like it has a common 787 issue, which is oils coming out of the pistons. Now, typically, from what I've read, the oil seal fails, and because the oil system is gravity fed, it's just coming through, up through the rotary valve, filling up the cylinder, and shooting out of your pistons. So that's kind of what we got going on right now. It is pouring out of there like crazy, and that might explain, turn this light on, all this oil that we have sitting on the bottom there. So what we're going to do, I guess, to attempt to fix this problem is down in here you have two oil lines, and the thicker one is the one that's going through there and going into the engine. So this bigger one here, we're going to cut half and half and put this check valve in there. And the goal is not to use this as a cheap fix, though from what I've seen, it can work. You just have to remember to turn it on. For us, though, the reason we're going to do it is we want to do a compression test on each cylinder to see what we're holding, to see if we got to do any other further rebuilds, or do we need to just completely take this entire engine out, fix the problem correctly, stick it back in here, bada boom, bada bing, working ski. You hear me? How's that? So we're going to go ahead and cut that, and we're going to put in the check valve, and then we're going to turn it off, and we're going to keep turning this engine over and try to get as much oil out as we can, so that when we connect our compression tester, we don't screw that up by getting oil into it, because at that point it'll be destroyed and we'll have to go get another one. So yeah, if you're having this same kind of issue with your jet ski, again, this is a 1996 GTX with a 787. Mainly if you have the 787 engine and you're having this kind of a problem, this might be a good video to take a look at, and see what we do to find the problem, or follow along with your jet ski and we could fix and tackle this problem together. Anywho, we're going to wrap this up for this video. It's your boy Wicked Nature. Like, follow, subscribe.